Hello children, your Arun sir going to teach you maths, the chapter fundamental operations. In fundamental operation, we have already discussed about the addition and you must have done the work also related to addition. Today we are going to discuss about the subtraction. Dear children, that I have told you that addition and subtraction is possible only between the like terms. So let us say exercise 2b. Exercise 2b. One question is there. Question number 1, 3. Minus 3x square from minus 5x square. From, after from, you will write in the beginning. Means you have to subtract minus 3x square from this. So from write in the beginning. And then subtraction you have to do. So sign of subtraction, and that is minus 3x square. And dear children, if outside the bracket the sign of minus is there, then inside it will become plus. So minus 5x square plus 3x square, and it is minus 2x square. So if such type of questions are there, I am sure you will be able to do it. Now one more question we will discuss. Let us solve question number 1. Other part. Question number 1, 9. Question 1, 9 number. What is there? Subtract minus 2xyz from minus 12xyz from 0. So what you have to do, in the beginning you have to write 0 and minus sign, minus 12xyz. So it will become only plus 12xyz. No need to write plus. You can simply write this, and that is the answer. So dear children, question number 1, I am sure you will be able to do. Now, next question we have to discuss, and that is question number 2, subtract by horizontal method. We have discussed two methods in addition also, that is column method and horizontal method. If there is no direction, if there is no such type of question, that by which method, any method you can follow. But if method is given, you must have to do by that method only. Now, question number 2. Subtract by horizontal method. Horizontal method, let us discuss. Question number 2, 1. 2a plus 3b from 5a minus 7b. This is the question. You have to subtract by horizontal method. Now, as I have told you, after from that you will write in the beginning. Therefore, 5a minus 7b, and minus sign you will give. Minus sign you will give because you have to do the subtraction. Then copy this. 2a plus 3b. This is the horizontal method. Writing straight is equal to 5a minus 7b, and outside the bracket minus sign is there. Inside sign will change. Minus 2a, and it is plus 3b will become minus 3b. Now you can do one thing. You can collect like terms together. So 5a. Now where is a? A is here. Minus 2a. Minus 7b and minus 3b. Now 5a minus 2a, it will be equal to 3a, and minus 7 and minus 3 will be minus 10b, and this is the answer. And this is solved by horizontal method. Now next question, subtract by column method. Let us see column method. You must have understood this. Next question, subtract by column method. Question number 3. Let us do the last part, last question. Question 3, 6. Subtract by column method. Let me write the question. Minus 3ab plus 4bc minus 6ca from 2ab plus 13bc plus 6ca. See here, by column method we have to do. First write this part from. So 2ab plus 13bc plus 6ca. Now write just below the like terms. Like terms should be written just below it. AB, where is AB? Here. So write below this AB minus 3AB. Again 4BC plus 4BC minus 6CA minus 6CA. And you have to do the subtraction. So sign will be changed. Downward expression, sign will be changed. This is minus will become plus. This is plus will become minus. This is minus will become plus. Directly you can do, or once more you can write. If you will do directly, now it is 2 plus 3ab. 2 plus 3ab will be 5ab. 13, and it will become minus 4. 13 minus 4 plus 9bc. And both became plus 6ca plus 6ca plus 12ca. And this is the answer. And this method is called the column method. Next. So dear children, column method you must have understood. Next, let us solve question number 4. Here in question number 4, the method is not given. So any of the method you may do. First, let me solve question number 1. Question 4, 1. What is there? 6a square plus 12ab minus 7b square from minus 8a square plus 10ab minus 5b square. Let us solve by column method. Okay, any of the method you can follow. So first, in the beginning you have to write these things. Minus 8a square plus 10ab minus 5b b square. Now here plus 6a square, 6a square plus 12ab, plus 12ab and minus 7b square. Now what I have told that in column method downward sign will be changed. This plus 6a square will become minus 6. This is minus and it will become plus. Now minus 8 minus 6 minus 14 a square. 10 minus 12 will become minus 2ab. Minus 5 plus 7 means 7 minus 5. It will be plus 2b square. And this is the answer. So dear children, we have discussed question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Today up to this much. In next video we will discuss the next part. Thank you.